Hello guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we will be talking about three operators basically, and, or, and not. So this and or operator are used to filter the records based on multiple conditions. You can say and operator returns the records when all the queries separated by and operator is true, and for the or operators it returns the records when the query separated with or operator is true. So we will understand this concept by some practical examples. So here is our table orders, as we are working on this table here, and we will see how these two operators and or are working. So first see how and is working. So suppose from this table I want to see the records for those customers who ordered pizza and who are from US, right? So how can I do that? I can do that using AND operator, because here I have to implement two conditions. That is, the ordered item should be pizza and the pip and the customers should be from US, right? So here I will use where clause because we have to check the condition, and I have made a tutorial on where clause earlier. You can refer that. So where item name is pizza, item name is pizza, and this is and operator, and delivery address should be US. Delivery address is US. So it will return simply this one row, because this is a very small table. You can see that there is only one row containing this kind of data, who is from US and ordered pizza. So I know the result, right? That's pretty simple. So uh, you can filter the records using this AND operator when the table would be much bigger, right? So this is the AND operator, and you can use this AND operator on different kind of conditions as per your use. That's a different thing. Now we will see about OR operators, how OR operator works. So suppose you want to display the records of those customers who have ordered burger and from Argentina. Sorry, you want to see the records of those customers who ordered burgers or they are from Argentina, right? So here also we have to check the conditions. So we will use where clause, where item name where item name equals to I am checking for burger, or this is or operator, or delivery address. Sorry, what I did. Okay, delivery address equals to Argentina. Let's see. So here is the uh, record for those customers satisfying these two conditions. As you can see that James ordered burger and he is from Argentina. Okay, so here two conditions satisfied, and here you can see Messi ordered beer and he is from Argentina. So our operator basically returns the record if the query is separated by or. So here the query separated by or is this two, item name and delivery address equals to Argentina. So if any one of these two queries is true, then it returns the record. Okay, so like this you can use or operator on different conditions. Now we will see about the not operator and how it works. Okay, fine. So now not operator, suppose you want to display the record of all the orders except the country for America. You don't want to see the records that's from America, right? So how you can do that? You can do that using not operator. How? So select star from customers, where when not delivery address delivery address equals to America. So this query will return all the records for all the countries except America. If I execute this, you can see it returns all the records except America. There is not America in this list, delivery address list, right? So like this, if you want to see the records for only those customers who is bigger than 20, or you just have to remove the customers who is lesser than 20, you can simply do that. Like I have to filter the table based upon this age field. I don't want to see the children. Okay, so fine. So this will return the value whose age is more than 20. So 20, 32, 45, 42, you can see that. Okay, so like this, these three operators work: and, or, and not. So hope you understood the basics of these three operators, and you can implement these three operators on your own on different kind of conditions. That's up to you. So hope to see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.